Okay, this is CPS at fiberlink.com. First thing you'll notice is the title, Mobility Crowd. This is one of the blogs. So if you look at the top, the links right here, Home, which takes you to Mobility Crowd, Blog, Training, and Mobile Expertise. These are all different blogs. On the left-hand side, you'll see a prompt for user login right here. If you haven't registered yet, click this register link. It'll take you to a quick registration page where you enter your username and your email address. A password will be auto-generated and emailed to you. So let's go back home, and I'm going to log in because I already have an account. And you'll see once you log in, it tells you logged in, my user ID, and then it says dashboard, write, comments, log off. So basically what you're going to want to do is click the dashboard. This brings you to the page where you're going to be editing most of the stuff. You'll see from the first glance right here, you'll see one post, tells you the number of posts, number of pages, number of categories, number of tags, so forth. Quick press over here allows you to quickly add a post. So what you'll see at the top is it tells you the blog that you're on and the ability to visit the site. And then you'll have these links on the side for my blogs, posts, edit, add new, profile, tools, comments. What you want to click on is my blogs, and this will give you a list of the blogs, the same as the tabs that were at the top of the main page. So for today, we'll click on dashboard underneath training, and this page looks exactly the same, just a few differences. Up top it tells you the blog you're on. Once again, this is the training blog, and it also tells you the number of posts, pages, categories, so forth. Obviously the numbers are different because it's a different blog. And you can still quick press over here to quickly post something. Next, if you wanted to add a post, you would click this link that says add new. Here's where you'll be able to edit the post that you're going to be uploading. This is the subject header, so subject something, and then here is where you would edit the content. This is the visual section of the editor, so basically it works the same way as a Microsoft Word or another text editor would work. And this is the HTML section, so if you want to code something or put something in HTML here, you can put it there. It supports all HTML tags. So let me write something in here. This is just text writing for. Okay, so this is the formatting bar right here. So you have the bold, italic, strike through, ordered, unordered list, paragraph, structure, so forth. One of the key features here is if you highlight something, you can actually click insert link. That's that button right there, and it allows you to insert a link for that word. If you click unlink, if there's a link already, you can unlink that real quick, and that'll remove the link. One other feature is this more tag right here, this button. If I wanted to say I had 20 words up here I wanted to show, and if you wanted to read the rest, you would have to click more. Click this, it adds this tag right here. So when you were actually looking at this on the page, you would see more. If you click that, it would show the rest of the blog entry. If you look down here, there's an excerpt section. Excerpts are exactly what they say, optional handcrafted summaries. Just a summary of what's going to be in your post. Over here on the right, you can see where you can categorize it. So if this were dealing about the agent, you can put agent details. If it were something else to control agent, you would click that. And you can select more than one category. If you go down to the bottom, there's a link to allow comments on this post. If you uncheck that, no one can comment on the actual post. By default, that is checked. And if you look up here, one last thing, before you're ready to submit the video, you can actually add a tag to it. So since this deals with training, and it's video, and it's J, you can go with this. And you would add these tags on there. Each one's just comma separated. If you wanted to add a picture or a video to the post, you would click one of these links right here. You have the add image, add video, add media, and these all look the same when you click on them, just a different type is going to change. So you'll see at the top, you'll see from computer, from URL, from media library. So the from URL is basically if you have a website that has a picture, you can actually click that and put in the URL and it'll pull it over. If it's from the computer, you would click this and click select files. Brings up a browsing dialog box. Select one of the pictures. We'll go with penguins. And this is a flash uploader right here. If you have any problems with this, you can always click the browser uploader. And once this is loaded, you'll see it lists the type of image right here, the name, and the title, caption, description. You can edit all of these. You can also add a link that when the picture's clicked, it would take you to that location. The alignment down here, whether you want it left, center, or right, and the size. Once you've selected all those, you can do insert into post. It'll place the picture into the post, and then you can click save all changes. If you've already created a post and you wanted to edit it, you can come to here and go to edit. Clicking this will allow you to see all the posts that are in here. You can only edit the ones that you've created. So as you can see, I'm the author on this and it's a draft. So I can do edit, quick edit, delete, and preview it. Delete just removes it. Preview it allows you to see what the end user is going to see. Quick edit allows you to edit such things as the categories, the tags, the status, whether you allow comments, the title, so forth. So various features of the post. If you click edit, it'll allow you to go back here and edit the post. One thing up top that I forgot to mention is the permalink. Permalink is basically the actual permanent link to this blog post. So as you can see here, it's based on year, month, date, and then the title of the blog, and you can change that accordingly. Once you have this ready to go, you can preview it and see what exactly the end user is going to see. You can click save draft if you want to come back to it later, or you can submit it for review, at which time an admin will review it and then elect to post it. One other feature that you're going to notice on the left hand side is the profile. You click that, you get to change a bunch of things about yourself. So for instance, the only fields that are pre-populated when you sign up are your username, your nickname, and how you want it displayed, and the email. So you're going to want to come in here and edit your first name, your last name, any other chat service or websites that you have linked to, and you also want to come in here and change your default password. The password that's generated to you should be changed, and you can come in here and change it to whatever you like, and there's a strength indicator so you can see how strong your password is. So let's go back to the dashboard. That pretty much is going to explain everything. If you, like I said, if you wanted to add a new post, you come in here. If you want to edit a post, you do the same thing. And that's pretty much going to clarify everything. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask, but thank you for watching. Thanks.